Hello students, how are you? I am NK Jha from APS. I think you are well. And I am also well by the grace of God. I have decided we have to read textbook because 30% question will be in the question paper from here, and it's very necessary to build a story and how the story is written by the author Isaac Asimov, and what was his thought. We have to understand, we have to read in the story or a story that is taken from books Beehive of class 9. We have to discuss chapter 1, the fun they had. The fun they had, very interesting story. And before reading this story, we have to think something which is instructed in the book, and that notes we have to follow. What does it means? Because why it necessary for class 9? That means it refers to the thought of the students, how you think about the situation, about this matter. So the story we shall read is set in the future, when books and schools, as well as we now know them, will perhaps not exist. Today we shall discuss in brief chapter number 1, the fun they had, taken from NCERT prescribed book, textbook Beehive. So we shall read is set in the future, talking about the future, when books and schools as we now know, जबकि बुक्स और स्कूल्स को हम अभी जानते हैं, them will perhaps not exist, maybe not exist, मतलब नहीं रहेंगे. How will children study then? फिर चिल्ड्रेन स्टडी कैसे करेंगे? How? The diagram below may give you some ideas. So from text, the diagram below may give you some ideas. So a school of the here figure is given, picture is given, diagram is given, a school of the future. Which kind of circumstances, which kind of situation will be created? So the learning through computers, schools of the future, that is the imagination, that is the thought of the author. Learning through computers, that means कंप्यूटर्स के सहायता से सीखेंगे, कंप्यूटर्स पर पढ़ेंगे. Okay, and the teacher will be robotic teacher. रोबोटिक टीचर. टीचर कैसा होगा? रोबोट का. रोबोट का. ओके, schools of the future. This is the question. This is the matter related with future schools. So learning through computers, imagine that learning through computers, virtual classrooms, moving e-text, robotic teacher. It is possible. You have to think about firstly. After that, we have to discuss learning through computers, virtual classroom, robotic teacher, moving e-text. And what is the function of this and which kind of benefits are given, are acquired by the students and the people of the world. Is it gain or loss? We have to think about yourself firstly, because the diagram is given and 4 topic is also given, and all of topics is very, very important. According to the topics, you have to imagine, because you are in class 9, and which kind of thought you have about the schools of the future. You have to explain yourself. Number 2 point, in pairs discuss 3 things that you like best about your school. मतलब जोड़ों में आपको 3 ऐसे थिंग्स का डिस्कस करना है जो आप अपने स्कूल में बहुत ही लाइक करते हैं. And 3 things about your school that you would like to change. और 3 ऐसे थिंग्स का जिक्र करना है या बताना है जिसको आप क्या करना चाहते हैं. That you would like to change, मतलब जिसको चेंज करना चाहते हैं. Write them down. You have to make list. You have to think about, because this is your thought about the future school, about the future schools. Clear? Next point, have you ever read words on a television or computer screen? Have you ever read words on a television or computer screen? क्या कभी आपने टेलीविज़न और कंप्यूटर के स्क्रीन पे वर्ड्स को पढ़ा है? Can you imagine a time when all books will be on computers and there will be no books printed on paper? Can you imagine a time, आप ऐसे भी समय के बारे में सोचो, when all books, जब सारी किताबें will be on computers, कहाँ होगी? कंप्यूटर्स पे होगी. And there will be no books printed on paper, और पेपर के ऊपर बुक प्रिंट नहीं होगा. Would you like such books better? And can you imagine such kind of books better? Yes or no? Your answer is in positive. You have to express yourself about the future school, and I think you can try and you can express your views according to topics number 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 2 and number 3 because you are discussing about the futures school. There no real teacher will be present. Only the robotic teacher can teach. It is possible. How it is possible or not, we have to discuss about the story. So firstly, I want to tell you the word meaning of this chapter, of this lesson. You have to read, you have to learn, because it will help you more and more to understand the story of this particular lesson, the fun they had. And very, very interesting topic after thinking, and we can discuss learning through computers, virtual classrooms, moving test, and robotic teacher, how it works in future. So the word meaning is necessary of for you, and you have to remember it, and remembering after you are able to understand it very nicely. And the homework will be have to read it Margie number 1 page number 5 and page number 6 have to read. Reading after you can better understand the story of the fun they had. And before this topic, you will have to discuss the 4 parts of future schools: learning through computers, virtual classes, virtual classroom, robotic teacher, and moving a text. Very, very interesting one, and how we shall read it's how we shall discuss, and it is very, very logical. Understand? Okay, thanks, and have to learn meaning.
तो हिसाब